niggas in my time, man. Word up. I've been doing this shit since 9-5, man. 9-5. Found myself doing 60 months in prison, man. 60 months? You fellas need to slow down. Just a little bit. That grind ain't all right. It really ain't.
I said, this is for my dogs in the ghetto. You gotta keep your head on. This way if they don't love you like that, since we do that, never get back. Yeah. So we ride and we smoke, and this life is so cold. And we know that one day y'all will go. You better count on your blessing. And mama, don't you cry no more, cause Jesus made my heart his home. I said, this is for my dogs in the ghetto. You gotta keep your head on. This way if they don't love you like that, cause we do that, never get back. Yeah. So we ride and we smoke, and this life is so cold. And we know that one day y'all will go. You better count up your blessing. And mama, don't you cry no more, cause Jesus made my heart his home, his home.
I seen a lot of homies die in the hood, just came home. Mama out here crying for food you can't provide. Struggling to get out this life. In the wrong circle, dirty nigga, better think twice. Get your mind straight, fellas. Out here on the grind, trying to get a shine. Banging them nickels and dimes. Show down a little bit, cause shit can get thick. When the police ride through, tend to this shit. Jump out, snatch you up unexpected like this. Now your bill high as hell and you sitting in there. I hit your mama on the phone, she said she don't care. I hit your uncle and your homies, everybody out there. Now I'm all posted on the strip, you know that I care. Got my heart into this money and you know that I share. I spent my last dime on you homies, people ain't fair. 1,500 in my pocket, nigga, just for a spare. It might not be enough, but I drop it in your account. Let you know what biz about. How much I want you out in this world. Trapping the new, chasing the girls, iPhone jab. Where we used to rocking the flag, chasing the jag. Shoe, I wish you was out. Cry, I wish you was living. Mo, I wish you was living. All the rest of my homies wish I was out of prison. Home with your children, doing the responsible thing. Not giving pain, just stay away from the rain. Police wanna lock us down, we going insane. Beating their brains, causing riots, that's what we do. I don't care what you say, I'm mobbing with my crew. So fuck you and do what you do. I don't care, book a who. What? I don't fuck with them dudes. Oppressing the women where I live, that ain't what it do. Get your own squad, cause mine don't fuck with you.
This is for my dogs in the ghetto. You gotta keep your head on.
Keep your head up, shoot, head up, shoot. They don't love you, man. Not like us, my boys.
So we ride and we smoke.
We smoke, guap.
And we know
it's cold, man.
You better count up your blessing.
We gon' count our blessings, mo.
Cause Jesus made my heart his home, his home. I said this is
y'all hold it down for us up there.
gotta keep your head on. They don't love you.
We trying the hardest we can, you heard? Bell money ain't all that fine, you heard?
So we ride and we smoke and this life.
It's a struggle, it's a struggle, it's a
That one
struggle.
day y'all gon' go. You better count up your blessing. And mama, don't you cry no more, cause Jesus made my heart his home.